Today I'm going to demonstrate two different ways of doing the magic ring. One with chenille yarn and one with regular acrylic yarn. Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm Diana and I created this channel as a way for my friends to learn how to crochet. If you're new here, you're one of my new friends. Today I'm going to be demonstrating two different ways of how to do the magic ring. It can be a little tricky if you're working with chenille yarn, and it is kind of tricky in and of itself. So I'm hoping that this video will help you in understanding how to do the magic ring. Remember that you can always pause and rewind, and one of my biggest tips I always say when you're learning how to do stuff, just take a breath. You're not going to be perfect at it. And I still actually make mistakes, and I've been doing the magic ring for lots of different things. So just be patient with yourself and with the process. Oh, and you'll also want to stay tuned to the very end of this video, as there is a bonus tip. If you like the content that I shared today, there is also different content on my channel, and I share weekly on Fridays, new tips and tricks, vlogs, things that are about crochet. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, please subscribe. It would be great. All right, so I'm going to demonstrate how I do a magic ring or magic circle with my chenille yarn. So what I do is I take and I do a slip knot. So that's on there, and then I will chain 2, 1, 2, and then if I have to do like 6 in the round or 6 in the magic ring, I will just single crochet in that first chain of what I just chained. So I will go 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you're going to have a tail like you would normally, and you just can kind of adjust it. But with chenille yarn, it is very forgiving. The reason why I do it that way, I have found for me that I don't have as much shedding, and I can actually work with it once I have the magic ring done that way. If I tried it like I do with regular like acrylic yarn or cotton yarn, it's a struggle. Okay, so the magic ring with acrylic yarn, cotton yarn, something that's not going to fray or be furry. You can actually do this with blanket yarn as well. So we're just going to start with this acrylic yarn. So I'm going to take my hook around my fingers like this and hold it together, and I'm going to take my hook and pull it up so it's on the hook, maybe hard to see, and then I'm going to wrap it around again and bring it up. So that is now kind of locked in there like this. Okay, and then if you have 6 in the round, you're going to single crochet. So you're going to go under both the loops and grab your yarn, pull it up, there's 1. Do it again, under, pull up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that you have 6 in your circle, you can pull this tail right here, and there is your magic ring. See that? I'm going to stick my hook in the first stitch so that you can see where you're going to do your next working here. Sometimes I stitch so tight that I can't find it, so there. If you're noticing I have a space in there, you can just pull this tail right there and it closes that space. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope that you have a fantastic day. Bye. There I have